Minimalist style is all about intentionality, simplicity, and harmony. A living room is an ideal location to implement the design style because it's where we tend to gather and unwind. Typically, a minimalist living room blends modern furniture and decor with an open floor plan. The style embraces quality over quantity and lends itself well to a light, bright aesthetic. So, instead of busy patterns and bright colors, minimalist spaces look to a neutral palette, clean lines, and simple silhouettes to set a restful tone. The style embraces quality over quantity and lends itself well to a light, bright aesthetic. So, instead of busy patterns and bright colors, minimalist spaces look to a neutral palette, clean lines, and simple silhouettes to set a restful tone. Just as you wouldn't want a maximalist-style room to read as messy or cluttered, you don't want a minimalist living room to come across as impersonal or sterile. Don't be afraid to embrace color, texture, and natural elements in your space as long as they don't overwhelm the room. Liven up a minimalist living room without disrupting the monochromatic vibe by bringing in live potted greenery. Fill an empty corner with a tall cactus plant. Style a coffee table with stacks of books and a potted fern. The cactus brings a sculptural quality, while the fern's freeform shape adds height and an organic element. If you don't exactly have a green thumb, don't worry, there are plenty of low-maintenance plants that anyone can keep alive. Minimalist design is all about quality over quantity. So, consider it an opportunity to invest in quality items and materials that will stand the test of time. Carefully consider the pieces you want to incorporate into your minimalist living room. When deciding what to splurge on, think large pieces such as the sofa, or transform the whole space with a statement light fixture and built-in elements like a stunning fireplace surround.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.